How to pay with Venmo on Target. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. This is me, Bipin Visnat, and today in this video I'll guide you on how you can pay with Venmo on Target. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. How you can pay. You can use Venmo to pay at Target by scanning a QR code at checkout. You can also link your Target Circle card to your Venmo account. Now if you want to pay using Venmo, you can use Venmo to scan a QR code. You can look for signage that indicates you can pay with Venmo. Open the Venmo app and go to the Me tab. Then you want to tap the QR code next to your profile picture. You want to also follow the on-screen prompts to allow your camera to scan codes. Once you do so, scan the QR code presented by the merchant. Confirm the purchase in your app. Tap So to Pay to present your QR code. Now, you can also link your Target Circle card to Venmo. Simply open up the Venmo app and go to the Me section. Click on Banks and Cards and click Add a bank or card. Add in your account and routing number to link your reloadable Target Circle card. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.